Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday, May 16th. Busted at the port. Yeah, 2 cruise passengers were caught trying to smuggle nearly 150,000 cigarettes into Long Beach, California. U.S. Customs officers at the Long Beach seaport found 749 cartons hidden in 10 suitcases after the pair reportedly disembarked Carnival Forense last month, which was in Ensenada, Mexico the day before. Although the passengers showed receipts, officials say that the quantity required a commercial import license, which they didn't have. The cigarettes were worth nearly $60,000 and were seized for destruction. CBP says undeclared bulk imports like this violate U.S. law and undermine tax revenue. U.S. law allows guests to bring in 1 carton or up to 200 cigarettes if arriving from Mexico. And fixing the propeller, the MSC Meraviglia is docked in Portland, Maine, undergoing emergency underwater repairs after damaged propeller blades forced the cancellation of its May 11th voyage from New York. The U.S. Coast Guard is warning boaters to steer clear of this repair area. Meanwhile, environmental groups are all up in arms, raising concerns over emissions during this maintenance period. MSC expects the repairs to be completed by tomorrow, with the ship resuming its Bahamas schedule from Brooklyn on Sunday. Impacted passengers were offered refunds in future cruise credits. There's no word on how the prop was damaged. And Royal Caribbean's Navigator of the Seas will homeport in Singapore for the first time, offering cruises from next October through February of 27. The ship will mainly run 3 to 5 night sailings to Malaysia and Thailand, with longer 10-night voyages with stops in Vietnam and an overnight in Bangkok. This marks a trend of Royal sailing smaller ships in the area, following the larger ships they had like Anthem and Ovation of the Seas. Navigator is currently based in LA and will reposition to Asia late next year. And the photo of the week comes from Nazaria. Carnival Jubilee docked in Cozumel here. Great photo, Nazaria. You can send yours in. Photos at cruiseradio.net. All photos are subject to broadcast. And cruise stocks were mixed on Thursday. Carnival Corporation flat, 23.00. Royal Caribbean down a half, 250.08. Norwegian down 2%, 19.10. And Viking down 1.4%, 46.21. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net, and have yourself a great weekend. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.